What's up guys, MrAlanC checking out some backsplashes you can put up for your kitchen, behind the sink, or maybe in the bathroom. So here they are. Let's see what comes in the box. Alright, so we got 10 huge sheets of backsplashes right here, and you can see the corners and the sides, they're made so they'll fit together with the next piece perfectly. We got 10 of these. Pretty much you peel off the back and it's ready to stick. So it doesn't get easier than this. And I know this side looks like it's a flat side, but it's not. It's cut out so it fits like a puzzle piece. How nice are these guys? Really going to dress up the wall behind the sink here in my kitchen. So excited about it. And I couldn't believe it could be so easy as just, putting these up, and where I need to, trimming some of the sticker off so it fits perfectly like a puzzle piece. Thank you so much for checking them out. I'm MrAlanC, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.